Hi everyone, welcome to episode 6. Tonight we're doing Mediterranean salmon and naan bread with a salad and yogurt on top. So let's get started. So we're going to get started with the Mediterranean mix that goes on top of the salmon. So with that we'll do, we have cherry tomatoes, so we'll add that. We have our feta cheese. Red bell pepper, our red onion, our salt, pepper, and dried oregano, our garlic, and our Kalamata olives. And then we'll take that, we're going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil in it. And we're going to mix that all up. Drizzle a little bit more. Take that mix and we're going to spread it out on our pan, and we're going to cook this at 400 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. As the Mediterranean mix is baking, we're going to go ahead and get the salmon ready. So with the salmon, you want to take off the skin. So it's pretty easy to do. You can start it with your fingers and just kind of pulling it, and the skin comes right off. And then we're going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil onto the salmon. Brush that in. And we're going to put that onto the pan. Drizzle a little bit more. The salmon in. Let that cook for about 15 minutes. Now we're going to get our salad mix ready for the naan bread. So we'll take our chickpeas. Then in here we have, there's cumin, coriander, salt, and pepper. Put that in. Our red onion. Our red wine vinegar, and our garlic. And we're going to mix that all up. Okay, and we're going to set that aside. Take our naan bread and cut it into like 3 pieces. So just going to cut it up. Okay, we're going to take that and place it in our pan. Okay, take a little olive oil, drizzle it on there. Rub the olive oil in. Okay, and we're going to put that in the oven also, and it's going to cook for about 15-20 minutes. Okay, so what I did is I took the salmon out and looked very good, and then I also took out the vegetables and I poured all that Mediterranean vegetable mix that we did on top of the salmon, and now we're going to put it back in the oven for about 10 minutes. As the salmon finishes cooking, I'm going to take out the naan bread. I'm sure it's nice and soft by now. Yep, nicely heated up. And so we're going to add, what we're going to do here is our mix that we did, the salad mix. I'm going to add a little bit of parsley and some mint to that and stir that in. And then I'm going to take these tomatoes that I sliced and just spread those out. There we go. And some mini cucumbers. Put those on the bread. Okay, then what we're going to do is the salad mix that we made. Just going to pour that all on top of the bread. And then here I've got some Greek yogurt. Stir that up. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon and then a little bit of parsley to it. And you're just going to take that and just kind of drizzle it all over. And there you go. There is our naan bread with our salad mix on it and our Greek yogurt. Let's see how our salmon's doing. And there you have it, our Mediterranean salmon. See you on the next episode. Bye.